Welcome to digital learning. Dear students, we are learning the subject auditing of 6th semester BBA of Mangalore University, and today we are in fourth session of unit 3. The unit 3 is watching, and today's session in unit 3 is there is fourth session in unit 3 is importance of watching. So we have already learned in last three sessions, we have learned the meaning of watching, definition of watching. I have given you different definitions given by different authors. And also we have learned the features of watching. And finally, in the last session, we have studied objectives of watching also. So with this, the students have a good idea about what is watching. Now, when you know the meaning of watching, features of watching, and also you know the objectives of watching, it will be very easy for you to understand why this watching is important. What are the benefits you will get by making this process of watching? We know that watching is a process of examination of the watchers. Watching is a process of verification of the watchers. The auditors, they do the scrutiny of the watchers. They go through all the books of account. They go through all the entries in the books of account. According to the scope of the auditing, it depends whether they go through all the entries, or all whether they are going through or examining each and every vouchers. But for the effective watching, there should be a watching of each and every transaction. Each and every voucher in the file should be, or for every transaction in the books of original entry, there will be a voucher. Either sales bill or purchase bill or payment voucher or receipt voucher, passbook, statement of account from the bank, any other type of the delivery note, say credit note, debit note, all these are the vouchers. So each and every such type of the documentary evidence should be watched. It should be examined. It should be scrutinized, verified. So by doing this, what are the benefits you are going to get? Watching, we know that it constitutes the foundation upon which the superstructure of the auditing is erected. If you compare the whole subject to auditing, all the whole process, when we practically speak, the whole process of auditing, when we compare the whole process of auditing to a structure or a superstructure or a building, watching is the foundation upon which this building, this structure is erected. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟುವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Without watching, if you do the auditing work without watching, it is of no use. You can't find out anything. Any frauds, any errors cannot be detected. For the effective, what we can say, for achieving the objectives of the auditing, we should have a proper auditing system. And it is the foundation. We should treat it as very important. We should treat that watching is very, very important, and it is the foundation upon which the superstructure of auditing is erected. Anything else, in a building, any other part of the building gets importance only when the foundation is strong. So, the same way, the whole auditing process becomes important, and it gains the importance only when the watching is strong. So, it is the backbone of the auditing. We can also say that auditing has a backbone. It is one way, it is the foundation. In another way, if you speak, we can say that it is the backbone of the auditing. ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಈ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಹ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್, ಇಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್, his backbone itself is broken, what he can do? He can do nothing, isn't it? In the same way, auditing is the backbone of the auditing. Watching is the backbone of the auditing. In another way, when we speak about the auditing, in the words of F.R.M.D. Paula, he is one of the authority on in auditing. Uh, he wrote mainly two books in on the subject auditing, that is principles of auditing with the practical aspects. He wrote a book, and according to many concepts in auditing gets definition from FRMD Paula, and it is according to him the auditing in auditing, what is the importance of watching? He says watching is the essence of audit. Watching is the essence of audit. This is a statement given by one of the authority on auditing. As I told, that is FRMD Paula, Frederick Rudolph Maclay de Paula, was born in the year 1882 and he died in the year 1954. And in between this period, he has done good job for the subject accounting and auditing. According to him, the auditing is the watching is the essence of audit. Essence, it is the very much important thing in the auditing. Auditing process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಎಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರದ್ದು, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. So now we will discuss the importance of auditing point by point. The first point ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, the success of an audit largely depends upon care and attention with which watching is accomplished. ಈಗ ಆಡಿಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್, ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್. If in watching process, if you take proper care, proper attention, then your audit process will also be successful. So they are connected, they are interconnected. ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ಆಗ ಓಲ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೇ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಲೆಸ್. Second one, watching is one of the potent tool in the hands of an auditor to ascertain the accuracy. ಈಗ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ accuracy. Each and every calculation should be accurate. For making sure that each and every calculation, each and every figures in the books of account are accurate, you are having a potent tool in your hand. An auditor has a potent tool in his hand, that is watching. Through the watching process, he can make sure, he can ascertain the accuracy of the books of account, accuracy of the figures which are recorded in the books of account. Each and every transaction will be accurate, so that he can make use of the watching as a tool. Next one, it is through watching auditor can categorically say that books of account are correct. Balance sheet and profit and loss account exhibit the true and correct state of affairs of the business. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಚಿಂಗಿನ ಮೂಲಕ or through watching, an auditor can say that the books which I have watched, the books which I have audited are correct. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವನು ಆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನದು ಮಾಡಿದ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೆರಿ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಡಿಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ, after books of accounts, after the preparation of books of account, after preparation of trial balance, we prepare the final accounts. The true picture of the business, correct state of affairs of the business should be depicted in the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Balance sheet should show the correct financial position of the business. Profit and loss account should exhibit the true result of the business. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಡಿಟರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೀಸ್ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ should be supported by a strong and a perfect watching system. So next importance ಏನಂದ್ರೆ watching helps the auditor to ensure that transactions recorded in the books of business pertain to the business and to the period under review. So ಈಗ ಎರಡು ವಿಷಯ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದನೆಯದು the transactions recorded are relating to the business of the client. ಎರಡನೆಯದು the transactions which are recorded in the books are for the period for which he is doing the auditing. So for example, I told already in the last sessions the business expenses relating to another business. The transaction which is not at all connected with this, with the client, with the business, may have creeped into the books of entry. Books of original entry. ಅದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. And also if the transaction for the next period by mistake is recorded in this year, or the transaction of the last year which is already paid sometimes may be also taken here for another payment. ಡಬಲ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುವಂತ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಓಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ helps auditor to ensure that transactions recorded in the books of account are accurate and valid. I already told this point. So when watching is perfect, auditor will ensure that transactions recorded are accurate. Yaudu tam samasya illa. Each and every transaction, the amount of each and every transaction is accurate. There is no manipulation. There is no inaccurate calculations. The figures, each and every figures are accurate. And also they are valid ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದ ಆಡಿಟರ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದನೇದಾಗಿ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಎರರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ 586 ಬರೆದದನ್ನ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ 1000 ಅನ್ನ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಅನ್ನ 500 ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ 1000 ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ 500 ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು. ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೀಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎರರ್. ಈ ಎರರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದು 500 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 1000 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ವೋಚರ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 500, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 50, 5000, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10,000 ಅಥವಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5000 ಅಥವಾ 1000. ಹೇಗೂ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? ಈಗ 5000 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 10,000 ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 10,000, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ 5000. ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೋಚರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್ಸ್ ದ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು 50 ರೂಪೀಸ್, ಒಂದು 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಒಂದು 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ಒಂದು 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್, 200 ರೂಪೀಸ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು, ಆಗ ಟ್ರೂ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. Carry forward, when we carry from one page to another page, from one month to another month, it may be error. Maybe 5,000 may be carried forward as 500, or 5,000 may be carried forward as 500. It is all possible. Posting from the journal or from the subsidiary book, when you are posting to the ledger, you might have committed error. In the journal it is 5 lakh, in the ledger it has become 50,000. Maybe intentional or unintentional. ಎರರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಲೆಜ್ಜರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಟೋಟಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎರರ್ ಬರುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. all these arithmetical accuracy can be uh, derived in the books of account only when you do the auditing, watching work. Next one is watching is critical to the success of an audit. It enables the auditor to go behind and beyond the books. Andre, your auditing becomes successful only when your watching is critical. It is very much successful. Watching successful ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ auditing successful ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it enables the auditor to go behind and beyond the books of account. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೀರಿಕೊಂಡು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡಿಟರಿಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅವನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಬುಕ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೋಚರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹಾಗೇ ನೋಡುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್, something which is behind a bill. Why this bill is like this? What is behind this bill becoming like this? What is something beyond the books of account? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗಿಂತ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Why it is like this? What is the reason? He gets some doubt, so he go back to the, but when he is watching, he will get all those things going behind and also beyond the books of account. Last one ಏನಂದ್ರೆ next one is watching is done with care. So watching ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We should be done with care. ಅಂದ್ರೆ watching should be done with proper care. ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ watching is done with care and caution. If the watching is done with care and caution, auditor can smoothly proceed further in his work. ಈಗ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರುವುದಲ್ಲ. ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ನಂತರ there are some other work to be done. He may have to make the verification. He may have to do check the what we say the valuation. He may have to verify the valuation of some of the calculations, valuation of the stock, valuation of the goodwill. All these things have to do. He has a number of other works also. But if the watching is done with care and caution, other work will smoothly proceed. He can proceed with other work very smoothly. But if the watching is done without care, without any caution, then auditor cannot be successful. His further auditing work may not be smooth. So these are some of the importance or benefits of watching. Now we will conclude this session with some MCQ questions. First question is, in the words of FRM D. Paula, watching is dash of the audit, essence, heart, important part of all of the above. Next one, watching is one of the dash in the hands of us, the auditor, to ascertain accuracy. Potent tool, technique, method, or none of the above. Next one is watching enables the auditor to dash the books, go beyond, go behind, go beyond or go behind, go beyond, and go behind and beyond, none of the above. So these are the questions. You can answer these questions. The questions answer I am not displaying here. You have to answer on the basis of you listen to the class fully. You can answer these questions. Thank you for listening to the class.